Hi, my name is Maya, and today I am taking you along with me to pack for my trip to Greece. I'll be in Athens, Greece, and Naxos for a total of 10 days. As an avid organization girl and packer lover, I decided that I might as well take you along with me and see how I pack and to provide some packing tips and hacks, because packing can be a pain, but I promise you it can also be really fun. For my trip, I only have a carry-on and a personal item, and my carry-on suitcase I brought to Spain is really big. It does not count as a carry-on here, so I'm just bringing my Calpac backpack and then my Baggu purse. The first thing that I'm going to go through and pack is my essential items. This includes a hairbrush, jewelry, belts, all those things, and that's what I'll go through first. Since I live in Spain, I do have just my room of everything I own here, so it is limited in terms of what I can bring. Let's look at what I'm going to bring in terms of essential items. So I've never been a huge makeup girly, so this is pretty much all the makeup that I'm bringing. I have my 3 pairs of sunglasses if they all fit, my hairbrush, my belt, some hair accessories, deodorant, a little pill pouch, a hat, and then a blanket, and then I'm also bringing my perfume, which I absolutely love and adore. So this is pretty much most of my things that I'm bringing other than clothes. The next thing I do in my packing process is my clothes. I pretty much go through all my clothes and see what clothes do I want to bring, and then later I'll try on all the clothes and see what actually fits, what makes sense, and the outfits that work the best. So my first thing is this coat. This is definitely an essential, and I will probably be wearing it a lot. These are essential. I feel like they're giving really like Greek vibes and just perfect overall. This is a maybe. These are both yeses. All 3 of these tops are from Zara, and I really like them. They have pretty long sleeves, so they're comfortable, make it easy to walk in. I recently just got this. It is very basic, but your regular white sweater to throw on for on the beach. This is my roommate's dress, and it's giving Greece. Like, this is Greece. This is the definition. When I think Greece, I think this dress. It's a must. These are actually 2 dresses. One is like a long sleeve off the shoulder romper, and then the other one is this long black dress. The long black dress is nice too because you can wear a sweater or a shirt over it, which is like super perfect. I also recently bought this dress and I thought, it's Greece, it's Greece, it's giving Greece. So yes, so far we have a lot of options. And I think that's all of the clothing in terms of tops and dresses. Now in terms of pants, I'm bringing these pants. They're light and loose and easy to wear. It's just some regular black jeans. That is all of the main things in that section of the closet. On to the next section. This section of the closet is kind of irrelevant. It really doesn't have much in it, but I will say that this has my skirt. Then we have some swimsuits. I have navy blue. If you can't tell, I have limited shoe options. We're gonna be bringing these flip-flops. I have a few shoe options. Yes, I'm bringing these sandals. Yes, I'm bringing these shoes. And other than that, I'm bringing my workout sneakers. And between those and the flip-flops, those are all the shoes I'm bringing. I promise you, I will be light packing. It's kind of fun to look through my closet and see actually like what clothes I have. And then from there, now I'm gonna try all of them on. I'm putting outfits together. I'm having a plan of what I'm wearing every day, for dinners, for activities, everything. Because for me, that helps me actually pack in a way where I'm wearing everything I'm bringing. Now that I have everything tried on, I actually hold down on my phone and make the clothes into a sticker, and then I upload them into my Notes app. On the Notes app, you can then make these into small images, and I do this for everything that I tried on. This really helps it so I can see all my outfits on my phone, and now I'll do it through all the clothes I tried on. So you pretty much got a sneak peek of majority of the clothes I'm bringing. I didn't try on my exercise clothes because I pretty much know what those already look like. Now I go through my phone and I actually add the outfits on my notes app to each day. This seems so silly, but when you're not really packing a lot of stuff, it significantly helps just having an idea of what I'll be wearing each day. For me, I'm spending the first 2 nights at a hostel, and then I'll be meeting my aunt at the airport, and we will spend 1 night in Athens, and then we go to Naxos. Obviously, I'm gonna be re-wearing a lot of things. I have 4 different tops that I'm planning to be rotating for dinners or the day, and I'm super, super, super excited. So I'll be organizing all of my outfits now, and then we'll start the packing process. I officially took pictures in all of the outfits that I'm planning to wear each day. These are just main outfits. I don't have like bathing suits in there or exercise clothes like I said before. Obviously it might change, but it's a good basic outline to have. I kind of love organizing my outfits for a trip because it feels like I'm playing with Polly Pockets, which used to be one of my favorite toys as a kid. Now that all my outfits are ready and organized, I'm gonna start packing, and I'm so excited to pack because packing is a lot of fun to me. So come along with me to pack. Packing cubes are the best things to ever be invented. Everything that's going in this packing cube are the outfits that I need for my hostel, and I have all my undergarments wrapped into these outfits so that everything is there and easy to actually put on. In my second packing cube, this is everything that I'm going to be using in Naxos and obviously Athens later. These are all of my Naxos outfits, and they're pretty much organized for each day that I would plan to wear them so that it makes it super simple to pick out the outfits and know what I'm planning on wearing. These packing cubes are from Amazon, and they absolutely are the best ever. They condense and get really small, so these are really easy to fit into your suitcase, or for my instance, my CalPack backpack. These fit perfectly together, and it makes it super easy to pack. Once everything is packed in, I put my bathing suits into actually the little shoe holder, and then I put extra undergarments into the other section. Then lastly, I put my shoes into the CalPack before actually zipping it. This thing fits so much. It's insane to me how much it fits. Then I do jewelry, my hair accessories, and then a little bag to go and my belt. This is really easy, and I highly recommend you get a CalPack. This is not sponsored. Next, I have my little pill pouch, and then my charging cords and my perfume, and that's everything for the backpack. Most of my accessories go into my purse. I have my passport, my wallet, my AirPods, my hand sanitizer, gum, and then a charger and converter. Then I have my toiletries and makeup, which easily go into this Vera Bradley little case that I can hang up in the bathroom. This is super easy, and there's not really much to this. Next, I have my shoes. I put my sunglasses and my deodorant in my shoes to make this simple. And then I actually have my big Bagu bag for all of my essentials and accessories.